Hi, Paul and Kyle here today. Now we're showing you our integration kit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto put into a Toyota Prado. So these are a popular vehicle, these Japanese import Toyota Prados, but as you can tell the stereo and everything is all in Japanese and it's all integrated with the heater controls. And replacing it, to be honest, is just a drama that we're not interested in doing. So what we've done for this customer is integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are the new default standards for media streaming in cars and will be for some time. So at the moment it's all in Japanese. All you do is you press the TV button, bang, and you have Apple CarPlay connected via your phone. There's one here we prepared earlier. Now again, we can't stress the fact that you should use a proper quality cable that is capable of transmitting both power and data. Those service station ones you bought that it looked pretty cheap and shitty at the service station, but they were cheap. They are cheap and shitty, just as a spoiler. Don't bother using them. Make sure it will carry data. So you can control it. We've fit a little remote control device here. You can use your maps. You can do all your normal features, messages, podcast, audio box, everything you've downloaded. You can go through, change. We've got Spotify there, and it plays the music. In fact, it's on to the next track in a couple of seconds. And you can even receive and get phone calls, which is not one I prepared earlier, but we'll cancel that. And you can play your songs and everything. As you can tell, they come up pretty good on the factory audio as you connect via USB. So, and you can press the home button on the controller, go back to home, get your Google Maps, whatever you want going, and you're all set. So these devices are a really good addition to a vehicle like this. We'll also fit them to a number of other vehicles, Nissan Skyline, a lot of Nissan product. It gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for a pretty cost-effective solution. So give us a call on 0508 636 283. We'll go to oemaudio.co.nz. We'll see us at 18 Coleridge Street in Sydenham.